Hi, my name is Catherine Lee, and for my midterm project, I decided to develop an app called Coffee Pal. And you can see it right here. The reason that I decided to make an app about coffee is because number one, when I was trying to think of what to make my app about or what I wanted to do, I just so happened to be drinking coffee, so naturally it was on my mind. Um, and second, I love coffee a lot, which is maybe self-explanatory from the first point, but um, I love coffee. I love coffee in Athens, and I was just thinking that other than my Starbucks app, I don't have an app that is geared towards someone like me who loves coffee, and I know that um, the whole coffee culture is just becoming even more of a trend every day. And so I thought a resource for people who loved coffee could be a cool app. And this is obviously a very base level, simplified version of like if I really had a dream for this, what I would want it to look like. But that's what I did. I made a small framework of what I wanted it to be. Um, so you see this front page screen right here. Hello, I'm your coffee pal. I decided to keep it pretty simple, and I wanted to use the color yellow just so that it would be um, a friendly look, something that was welcoming and inviting for the user. Um, and so I just did a simple smiley face. I'm also just my style is more simplistic, so I like that. Um, and I also just kind of did that along with the idea of this being like your coffee pal, your buddy, um, your little like phone friend who is wanting to help you in finding good coffee. Um, so I decided to just leave this just as text and then created a button for the explore button. Um, and it takes you to the explore page, which has three options. It has your Athens coffee guide, a coffee dictionary, and how much more coffee you can have. And left this pretty simple too. If you can't tell, that's kind of the theme of my project. But so the top says explore. Hey there, I'm here to assist you in satisfying your coffee cravings. And I wrote it like that, just so again it felt more of like a coffee assistant vibe than like this is a tool. More that this is like some sort of figure that wants to help you, and just to stay with the more friendly theme. Um, and so we'll start with the Athens Coffee Guide. I decided to do this one first because I directed my app towards obviously people in Athens, and so um, wanted to keep that as my first option. So click Athens Coffee Guide, and it comes up. It goes a little lower because of this back button, and I figured out how you can like get rid of it, but decided that in this feature of the app you need to be able to go back. So I just left it and let the spacing be a little bit weird. Um, but it says Athens Coffee Guide, your navigation tool for discovering local good coffee. Click each shop to find out where it is. And so for this page, I listed out my favorite local coffee places: Molly's Coffee, Jit Joe's, Sips, Thousand Faces, and Hendershots Bouvet, Walker's, Condor, and Independent. Um, these are all really good local coffee places um, that I love a lot, and so I just listed them and used map view so that it would take you to the map view of whatever coffee shop you're looking for. So you've got Bouvet, there it is right there. It shows you in the map. Thousand Faces, there we go. Independent. So you kind of get the idea. So I went into, where is it? Nope, Explore. Nope, Athens. Um, Emil actually showed me a different type of code that you could use for this. And so it was this MK coordinate region type of thing. And so